Matt here from Tradie Web Guys, and today I'm bringing you another case study and one with a bit of a twist to it. Priority Plus Plumbing are a Sydney-based plumbing company. They specialise in residential plumbing, residential maintenance, and small residential fit-out projects primarily. They're over in Cronulla Shire, and they had a website previously, but it was quite outdated and Pete, the owner, is quite keen on the marketing side of things. So he really wanted a nice new website that enabled him to showcase the awesome work they do. This is an award-winning company. They win year after year. They win all these awards over in Cronulla Shire. So they really wanted to start showcasing some of the work they do. So the website's been rebuilt in a beautiful, nice new WordPress website. Everything's been laid out beautifully with all of your standard conversion elements, your click-to-call features and your web forms and all that kind of stuff. And as we scroll down, they've got nice photos of the team. And, of course, we wanted to showcase those awards of theirs, so they're all on there as well. And knowing these guys, we'll have to make some more room for these because they tend to win them every year. Anyway, as we scroll down, you can see there's a little bit of a video about them. There is stuff about their services. There'll be a Google Map listing there. Which I probably scrolled through. Oh, there's a nice testimonial. Anyway, you can see the layout's lovely. It's just nice and clean, and everything's the way it should be. All the services have their own pages, obviously, so that's really important for the purpose of SEO. There's a nice about page, the guarantees and things like that. And what I want to show you is their project gallery. Now, if we jump across to the project gallery, you'll see we've got a couple of projects in there already just for when they kicked off. A couple of jobs that they've done, really iconic projects at that. And if I click on these here, you'll see this is one that they did on the Northern Beaches. Lovely project, really showcases the work they do with all of the images that are relevant to that job, I might add, which is important as well. So that's all. Now they're actually ranking top of Google after a couple of weeks for Northern Beaches restaurant plumbing, which is a longer tail search term. However, it's a pretty good result. And then if I go across to this one as well, this is a restaurant they did in City. It's actually Matt Moran's restaurant, so it's quite an iconic project. And you can see there, this is again another project gallery showcasing that job and the work they did there. And as we go down further, some more photos. That worked out really well. That's a very good result for them. They're ranking front page of Google for Sydney restaurant plumbing after a couple of weeks. So that's a great result. I can show you that as well, actually. If we look here, City Restaurant Plumbing, you've got all your paid stuff at the top. This is obviously the Google Map listing, Google My Business, and then if we scroll down here to the SEO, you've got 1, 2, and they're right down here. So that's a pretty darn good result. So yeah, they're happy, absolutely, and the testimonial you're about to see will hopefully relay that. And if you'd like some help, then by all means, please reach out. Tradiewebguys.com.au is a website. And if you head to tradiewebguys.com.au/apply, you can complete the form there. And one of us will get back to you with some ideas on how we can help you with your business. Okay, thank you.
Hey, g'day, it's Peter here from Priority Plus Plumbing. We've just recently had a full revamp of our website. Didn't know where to go or what to do in relation to generating a new website. So I know Matt, and I thought I'd touch base with him and get him to put together something for us. We had a very boring website, and that was our issue. We wasn't getting a lot of leads. So Matt came up with a proposal to generate a new website for us, which we took him up on. And one of the main parts of not only refreshing the website was the projects gallery at the back end of it, which is really good for our commercial larger projects that we're pretty proud of, and we can we can, I suppose, showcase through the back end of our website. So that's one of the main things that I took on board. Is helping us with a lot of email marketing on the back end of things, and helping us with our domestic, I suppose, landing pages, and our ability to deliver a better website to our clients and try and get some more leads, as we all know it's a bit hard. So just wanted to do a quick shout out to say thank you. Very professional, and has the ability, I suppose, to take all the hard thinking out of the way for me. So it's just hand it over and get it sorted out, and then just call on me when it was needed at the time. So just want to say thank you. And if you're thinking of it and you're in the trade business and you're thinking of maybe needing someone to look at a website or to do some website, I really couldn't go past it as far as a referral goes. I wouldn't go past it, because actually knows more than a lot of other people do in this space, and it was very professional and well delivered, and the after sales service is phenomenal, because I'm still annoying Matt. So appreciate your time.